The bok choy is one of the vegetables commonly eaten by Chinese people, such as Chinese cabbage and choy sam. It has a mild taste. It is crunchy and juicy. It is perfect to stir-fry dishes or soups. I'll show you how to stir-fry it with marinated beef. It's quick and easy to prepare, and it guarantees a good meal. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. Start by marinating the meat. Cut the beef into thin slices. Put them in a mixing bowl. Then add a pinch of salt, some ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix. And let rest while preparing the bok choy. Cut it into pieces. Everything can be eaten. Chop the garlic cloves. Now start the cooking. Stir-fry the bok choy first. Put 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over high heat. When it's hot, add half the chopped garlic. Regularly stir. When the garlic begins to be golden, add the bok choy. A pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir for 2 minutes. Keep aside. Still over high heat, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When it's hot, add the remaining chopped garlic. Regularly stir. As soon as it begins to color, add the pieces of marinated beef. Spread them out. Let them grill for 1 minute. Flip them over. Leave for another 30 seconds. Stir them and add the bok choy. Briefly stir and turn off the heat. The stir-fried beef and bok choy are ready. Enjoy them with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! We like to drink black and green tea during the meal. This dish is balanced, easy and quick to prepare. Let's take the time to savor it with our loved ones. Right now, we are enjoying a simple moment in life. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.